Quiz 2.03, Reasoning Part 2, Example 3. Use the conditional statement to answer the question. If an angle measures 103 degrees, then the angle is obtuse. Which statement in its inverse is true? The statement is true. Obtuse angle is just bigger than 90 degrees. 103 is bigger. So we know that this statement is true. So we can eliminate this one and this one. Now we just need to know if the inverse is true. The inverse, you just negate both statements. If an angle does not measure 103 degrees, then the angle is not obtuse. Well, there's other angle measures that could also be obtuse. So just because it's not 103 degrees doesn't mean it's not an obtuse angle. It could be 104 degrees. So the statement is true, but the inverse is false.